back to back yet, but I'll be there next week or so. Basically, I had to rest all summer, getting back to the speed that go on. Oh, I'm not. I haven't done that yet, but tonight I'm gonna send you guys link for what you wanna call Google folder. Yeah, and the groups and stuff. I wasn't feeling that well this weekend, so I couldn't work on it much. I mean, I'll post your homeworks tomorrow afternoon, and you'll have till the Friday after that, so good enough time. Let's see. We've done profitability ratios and DuPont. So let's continue with first. These are kind of estimates of the rates at which firms can grow, not will grow, but can grow under certain assumptions. The first one is called the internal growth rate, IGR. This is the maximum growth rate achievable using internal resources only. I'm going to end up typing these things. Let's give it one more shot. No, this happens more during the last part of the day. Which means using retained earnings, which is defined as whatever you made last year net income minus any cash dividends you made, assuming no new debt or equity securities issued. and ROA and dividend payout ratio constant. Let me try it one more. I'm gonna write this as A over 1 minus A, where A is ROA times retention ratio, or ROA times 1 minus dividend payout ratio. Using the financial statements we already had last Wednesday on Delta and Southwest. First, let's get the dividend payout ratio, assuming they paid any dividends. You can get the dividends from statement of cash flows. Put a negative in front of that. So they basically paid $320 million in dividends compared to their net income. I'm gonna give that little format. So last year they paid about 10% of their income as dividends. The year before it was a little bit less. So if you calculate it, internal growth rate, since last time we already had the ROA times 1 minus dividend payout ratio divided by 1 minus ROA times, oops, I already had made some macros for that. So if next year ROA and dividend payout ratio uh, delta is supposed to stay the same, and they don't issue any new debt or equity securities, the maximum they can grow is about 4.7%. This is not a prediction of the rate at which they're going to grow. It's kind of a ceiling under a certain assumption. Let's do the same thing for Southwest. Of course, I need to get the numbers from the right places. Let's put a negative. I'm not sure that they have any dividends. Oh, there it is. They pay $430 million in dividends. and their net income was that.